Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Mira from Kpop Demon Hunter and Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit and I'm going to show you how I made this one. Okay, to make the tutorial faster, I'm going to immediately show you the items that you need to put on to create this look. Okay, I'm going to click on this icon. All right, and start from the hairstyle. You can choose three hairstyles, this one, and also this one, and you're going to color them with this pink color. Okay, and then for this one, you're going to make it stiff and then remove the bangs and also the bows. Okay, and then you're going to put on this one and make it no bangs, and then this hairstyle you're going to make it only bangs. Okay, and then for the t-shirt, you're going to choose this t-shirt and then you're going to select this one. Okay, apply this pattern and then you're going to make it black. Okay, and then for the skirt, you're going to put on this skirt. This is from the VIP room and you're going to make it this color, this orange color. And then this necklace, this is from the Kurt's item, make it this color and combine it with this necklace, make it this color. And then this boot, this is from the VIP room and you're going to choose only boots and then you're going to color it like this. Okay, and the next one for this item guys, you're going to choose it from the VIP room and you're going to choose toggle one and remove the fur. Okay, just remove the fur and make it black, and then you're going to put on, wait, okay, this earring. For this earring, you're going to make it this color, and then the skirt, make it orange. This is from the VIP room. And then this X, you're going to remove the X and then you're going to color it with the original color. Okay, and finally you will have this look. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create Mira from Kpop Demon Hunter in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.